Hello everyone, welcome to the first devlog of Aqualood. In this series, we will be showcasing our development process with updates every couple of weeks. Before we get started, a word from our sponsor, Raid. Right. Oh, we're not there yet. Anyways, let us introduce ourselves. We are a starting indie company that wants to get into the game development market. We created this YouTube channel to help others get through some of the more difficult parts that we have encountered on our journey. Now, with the introduction out of the way, let's get started. This is the game that we have been working on for about 2 months. You currently play as a goat, but we plan on adding more characters in the future. The objective is to finish a couple of levels, each with its own challenges and missions. In the first chapter, you will have to escape the farm, and after doing that, you will be moving on to the second chapter. As of right now, we have almost finished the map. The whole map is centered around the main road, which goes through the entire farm. The first main building is the barn, in which later on the chickens will be placed once they are done. Along with the barn, you can also see other secondary models, which we added to make the aspect of our map feel nicer. Opposite of the barn, we decided to place the pig house, and along with it the goat's house, where you will eventually start your adventure at this farm. Besides the buildings, we also placed trees, bushes, and flowers with the purpose of decorating the map. Moving on along the road, we can find the cow's house, placed behind a little hill which separates it from the barn. On the other side of the road, we also placed the water well to enforce the rural feeling of a farm. Just behind the well, there is another main building, the farmer's house, which is accompanied by beehives, other crops, and the farmer's car. Near the farmer's house, a working windmill can also be found. These buildings, unlike the others, will not be accessible to the player, their role being to give the map a genuine feeling of a real farm. At the end of the road, the last two places we need to showcase are the football field and the hayfield. We've also made a couple of animals, like for example, we have already finished the models for the cow, pig, goat, and horse. Apart from these, we have made a lot of other smaller but important models. In terms of mechanics, we've made the movement system, the interact system, and some AI for the animals. We're currently a bit behind on levels, but we're trying our best to get them done. The goal is to release this game for mobile, and as such, we have already implemented some mobile controls. They aren't perfect, and there's still a lot that we can improve on them, but they work relatively fine as of right now.